Hello, and this is airsoft. Today I'll be doing a review on the Maori M4 CQB two-tone. Alright, first of all, this may seem strange, but this is actually a battery. You've got this stock. You put it on to the back of the gun, click it on, and you put the scope on this here, which is actually the magazine which holds the BB, which you insert through the top here. Let me just automatic. It is orange and black if you can't see. It has a working scope on it, which is pretty good, and the stock can be retractable and is short or long. Basic BB. Okay, it can fire about 320 FPS. It's got about 300 bullets per minute rate of fire, holds 400 BB, and is really quite accurate. As you see, it's a nice looking gun. The silencer, I think it actually works much here, but yeah, it has brass rails on the front, the sides, and on the bottom.
This, as you can see down here, is the sight of the gun.
As you can see down here, this is the scope. It's got, I think it's got about 2 times magnification. It's alright, but still pretty dodgy. The BBs are entered in here. Really nice, and makes it quite really silent. That makes sense. Alright, now I'll take some shots of it. Okay. Alright, now I'm taking some shots of it. As you can see, it looks really good. Now listen to this. May have to turn it off from safety. As you see, I'm out because I only put some in. But let's look at the car. Really good rate of fire, as you can see. Sounds really nice, and well, this is it. So let's take one last look at it. The Maori M4, very nice. Buy it on Amazon for 44 quid. Yep, not bad. You get a sample of about 200 BBs.